welcome back
Yes.
to Easy English with Rudra. Today I am very happy to introduce a very special guest. So his name is Takon. So he is from Sri Lanka, but currently he is living in Saudi Arabia. So let's welcome him. Hi sir.
Even.
Good morning sir.
Yes, good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you
Thank
sir.
you, sir, your YouTube channel, Discuss to the These Places. And I wish you everything is successful today.
Okay. Thank you.
Marvelous day.
Okay. Thank you sir. Thank you. And sir, can you tell me sir what is your name and where are you from sir?
My name is Takon. I am from Sri Lanka.
Okay. So so presently where are you sir? Are you in Sri Lanka or are you in Saudi?
Uh, no. Presently out of country, Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Saudi Arabia. Nice. Sir, what do you do, sir? What is your profession?
I am my profession is my duty is seaman. I am as a second officer in vessel,
Mm-hmm.
and this my vessel is tanker.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sir, can you tell me your daily routine work in your office?
Yes, thank you so much. Introduced to my career. So first of all, I am a third officer. So second officer, I'm working in the bridge. Bridge means ship all control in the bridge. So
Mm-hmm.
that's time I have the navigation, I have the radar and passive. And like this, so many duties and have in my vessel. And that's my duties. So many things have.
Wow. Very good, sir. So how long have you been working in Saudi, sir?
Yes, presently complete my 5 months.
5 months. Okay. So before you came to Saudi, what did you
Yes.
do in Sri Lanka?
Yes, before I am same duties working in Sri Lanka. Most
Okay.
our vessel have Sri Lanka that time in yes.
Mhm. So, what is the difference between your work profession like Sri Lanka and Saudi?
Yes, depend of Sri Lanka because my Sri Lanka is so many people workers to the cultivators. The Saudi is not cultivators. The so many people workers and they all the carry the own itself. And my
Mhm.
Sri Lanka and these countries depend the climate, the weather condition, and language. Many things depend.
Okay, nice, wonderful, sir. So, why do you want to learn English, sir? So, what's the reason?
Yeah. Yes, thank you so much. That's word is today's timely topics. English. What you need the English because
Mhm.
English mean international language. So why we are go to the other country sometimes share to the our in Sri Lanka foreign people came Sri Lanka that time I need to share to the my knowledge and I
Mhm.
need to the my vocabulary improve
Okay.
my vocabulary other one I have to share to my document in my country and how to the that time how to the carriers this they employ him other one need to so many things have because the international language mean whole country person to need the English very important English. So why share to the knowledge, share to the business. Anyway, we have to the proof it English. Every book, every computers, and every the valuable workers have the English. English
Yes.
person is valuable worker. They have to the salaries too much salary. It's
Mm-hmm.
not as poor salary. They have to big salary.
Mm-hmm.
This is a English. So many people understood this. Maybe he has so many happy.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sir, did you get a good salary? So, compared to your country, Sri Lanka, in Saudi, right?
I have good salary. So now I have the $2,000. $2,000 means Sri Lanka 7 lakhs like this.
Okay, nice. Sir, did you attend any spoken English class before, or do you learn in yourself to learn English?
Yes, yes. Before I learn English, so many classes attend, and I have always a reading book and vocabulary, and other one documentary have, and so many movie have,
Mm-hmm.
and so many YouTube channel have. Sometime
Okay.
India, Pakistan, most people introduce and explain to their topic. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
I suddenly understood and suddenly learn in that way.
Mm-hmm.
That
Okay.
proof.
Okay. So how much time do you spend every day, sir, to practice English, speak English?
Yes, every day I have the free time. That time, full time attend. Sometimes I have don't time. That time is spent to the English. Approximately 2 hours, 3 hours every day I attend.
Wow. Very nice, sir. So you are spending 3 hours every day, right? Wow.
Yes, yes, of course.
Wow. So how do you get this time every day, sir? This much time, how do you get? You are married and you are working a person.
Yes, every person is good. This my
Mm-hmm.
person is so many people they need no depend of the country. That's
Mm-hmm.
time I need the English and share the knowledge there. He asked they always have discuss the English. This is a vessel duties mean not my mother tongue. No, they are kind of not international language. Always discuss with this vessel. My careers is always discuss with English. Any not
Okay.
other language. Only English they have.
Okay. So in Saudi, you always speak English with your colleagues, with your office staff, everything. Wherever you go, you always use English, right?
Yes, yes,
Wow.
of course. Yes,
Very good.
yes. Whenever go to the outside, sometime market, sometime office, sometime meet the valuable person. That time I need to speak English.
Oh, very good, sir. So it is very beneficial to you. So you have more chance to practice English, learn English. Nice. Very good. So what is your
My
favorite hobby, sir?
opportunity then.
Mhm.
Yes,
So what is your
again tell
favorite
me.
what is your favorite hobby? So what do you do in your free time?
Yes, yes. Of course, I have sometime I have free time. I just my game is my free my too much like my favorite is chess and billiard. Like the whole sometime have the free time. That time go to the gym
Oh, gym. Okay. So do you go for a walk every day? Do you do exercise every day, sir?
because sometime not attend because when vessel sailing that time not go to the gym because vessel is always yoking like this. That time not suitable to use the gym.
Okay, nice. So what is your favorite um, place in Saudi?
Presently, Jeddah.
Hmm. Okay. I think did you watch Burj Khalifa in Saudi, sir? How many times did you go?
Yes, of course.
Oh,
Tell me please.
so okay. Can you tell me about that place, sir? And
Presently Jeddah. Jeddah port.
Burj Khalifa place, sir. Beautiful place in Saudi. So I am asking that.
Yes. Yes, of course. The Saudi is beautiful. So many beautiful places have, and when chance give to the outside, that time go
Okay. Okay.
to the
So
visit.
do you? Okay. So do you get a holiday on Sunday every Sunday?
Yeah, yes. No, I have the holiday Friday and Saturday. Sunday not holiday.
Oh, Sunday is not holiday in our country. I think right, sir. Actually, in India now the time is 9:38 a.m. So
Yes,
what is the timing in your place?
yes. And then now my place is 7 o'clock morning AM.
Oh, 7 o'clock morning. Okay. I think 2.5 hours difference from India to Saudi. I think right.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, 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 of course, you are correct. Yes.
Okay. Sir, can you tell me about your education background, sir?
Yes. My education mean I am a Sri Lanka, but so many school have. I am follow to the advanced level. After that go attend to the same and my this job, and after that yes, we go to the school. This is Seaman school. You know,
Mm-hmm.
we have to so many our careers now job. After we go to the there and learn so many things, and when after that attitude this job.
Okay, nice, sir. Wonderful. So, did you study in government school or private school in your country, sir?
No, no, no. I was Sri Lanka. So many government school have. I learned to the government school.
Okay. So, how many subjects are there when you studying in school days? How many subjects do we have?
That time eight subject.
Okay.
Eight subject. Eight subject.
Can you tell me, sir, the name of the subject names?
Yeah, English, Maths,
Okay.
Science, Social, and Agriculture,
Mm-hmm.
and other one Buddhist,
Mm-hmm.
and Social Study,
Okay.
and other one Art. Other one Art.
Oh, very good. I think so. I had new subjects. I think arts and agriculture and another also. So in our India, so in Telangana state we have six subjects. So my native language Telugu, Hindi, English, mathematics, science, and social studies. And in the 10th class, sometimes science divided into two, biology and science. So these are subject
Ah,
in
yeah, yeah.
Telangana. So, but
Ah,
in
yeah,
our
yeah.
country, so arts and agriculture, these are another two extra subjects in our country. So it's very
No,
useful.
no, 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 no. You know, no.
Mm.
My time. This is same subject. That subject is okay. Now is the now change to the new syllabus. Your country and my country same like this.
Oh, same. Okay. Sir, actually, so who motivates you, sir? You can learn English. Who motivates you? So, is there any story behind that to learn English?
Yes, of course.
Oh, tell me, sir.
Yes, again. Tell me. Sometime your voice is
Oh,
multiple answer like this.
okay, okay. Sir, who motivates you to learn English? Is there any story behind that?
Yes, yes. Any person come to the learn English. He need to the so many things. He learn English. You
Hmm.
first of all foundation. How to foundation? Foundation means ABCD first of all, and they have to improve grammar. And so many classes have you suggest the good or bad, sir, and you understood that teachers maybe learn to teach you something you understood, and you go there and you always follow to the approximately when going to the class. Approximately you one day or you have to the time 1 hour or 2 hours continue here. After that, that time you writing, speaking, and other also uh, listening. They need to listen it, because when people talk about that time we need to understood listening very important.
Okay, okay, no problem, sir. My question was another actually, and who inspired you to learn English? My question was, who inspired you to learn English, speak English?
Yes, of course, but when every person need to the English, that's the reason. Because why not English? Because other one we have to the time that time to learn.
Okay, nice, wonderful, sir. And so, do you like read English books, sir?
Yes, of course,
Oh,
I have so many books that
oh,
time I read.
please
Yes,
show me, sir, that books. Do you have any books in your hand or in your near place?
yes,
Wow.
yes. This book here.
You can
Okay.
rotate, sir. You can rotate that book. So I think is it your native language? Okay. So is
Yes,
it
of course.
okay? So can you tell me about explain that book, sir? Okay, spoken English.
Yes,
Okay,
yeah, it's English grammar. Okay, this is English grammar.
okay.
Prasad Abhyasekar, he's a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
But English grammar. This is a good. This good
Oh,
book.
oh, English grammar by Prasad. Okay. Nice. So can you
Yes,
explain
other one is
about
spoken
the
English.
oh spoken English? Nice, sir. Wonderful. Okay, new edition.
It's spoken.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Sir, can you
it-
explain a little bit
yes.
more about that book?
Okay.
So please explain
Other
that book.
one, they have the short. Other. Okay, okay. This is a grammar. Because we need to the grammar because we are
Okay.
foundation and our everything understood the language. We need to the grammar. This grammar is
Okay.
very important. They have
Okay.
many things and how to learn, how to the trade writing everything. They have to include the grammar.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
grammar lesson.
Nice.
Most grammar lessons, so many things inside here. This is a good
Wow.
book.
Mm-hmm.
Other one, this is a spoken. Because
Mm-hmm.
when the write the grammar, understood the grammar, after that, next time go to the spoken. The
Okay.
spoken we need to the list this book. It's very
Okay.
important.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah, yes,
Other
sir.
one, they have small story.
Oh, small stories. Please
One
rotate that book, sir. I can
story
see
here.
the name.
This is good.
Okay, charter box. Uh, okay.
Yes.
So spoken
Yes.
English charter box. Lalit A.
Yes.
Okay,
Very.
nice, wonderful. Oh, nice,
Yes.
wonderful. Can you explain this? Any stories, sir? How the stories were there? Do you read that books every day?
Inside this story unit.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yes. Yes. Of every day read. This book create the one pages, and
Okay.
after that keep the and mind. After that every time memorize.
Oh,
You
very
know,
good.
time to time memorize.
Okay, nice, wonderful, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You are spending your valuable time to me. Thank you so much. And last question to you. And those who are interested to learn English, so please tell me about your experience.
Yes, yes.
What
Thank you
message
so
do
much.
you?
This is a timely that word.
Hmm,
Yes, every person. You first of all understood your what is your need, what you need to the English, and
okay,
first of all you not failure.
okay,
Always you have to mind this attitude, not a bad attitude, but because why English is international language because method we learn English and they have to prove because our sometimes my mother tongue sometimes other country mother but they have we understood because we are mother tongue because English mean international English. So many people made that time need to the discuss the share to the knowledge and share to the many things that business things sometimes education sometimes so many things share to the we need to the English language. English is very important in world country people to very important English.
yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time to me. Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much. It's introduced to your channel. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
good day. Good
Okay,
dreams
sir.
to you and good yeah, good dreams. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, sir. Have a nice day. See you. So, thank you, friends. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy English with Rudra. Thank you.